So I've got some R1R2 leads from Super Rod. They come in two different flavours. The red one is basically a crocodile clip on one end, Posi 2 on the other, and the yellow has a crocodile clip and a Posi 1 on the other end. We're going to put them in this board here and see how accurate these test leads are. Let's take a look. So in this instance, we're going to use the red lead and crocodile clip onto the CPC of this socket circuit, and then use the Posi 2 into the line terminal on this Apprentice RCBO, because these are Posi 2 terminals on this particular overcurrent protective device. Down here we have got a TIS socket adapter into this socket outlet with our CPC wired back into the TIS MFT Pro and the line conductor. If we now hit the test button, we should get a measurement of resistance through that, and it's coming out at 0.07 ohms. So I've now wired this up the old-fashioned way with the CPC in the line terminal with this Apprentice RCBO. We've still got the test leads in the same configuration. Everything else is exactly the same. I've just removed this magnetic lead. If I hit the test button, let's see if we get a difference in value. It's 0.07 ohms yet again. So this is adding negligible resistance to our circuit under test. These leads were developed by Wayne Draper, who is now working with Super Rod. There is a podcast on the Apprentice 1-to-1 channel for those of you who want to go and hear how these were first invented and what the plans for the future are. They make a lot of sense in a training environment where terminals have been undone and tightened up over and over again into both terminal bars and cage clamps of overcurrent protective devices. They are going to take a lot of use and abuse at times, so having these to mitigate that to a large extent is a huge win. So if you're currently in an education environment and you're looking for ways to improve your testing and longevity of equipment, do check out the R1R2 lead from Super Rod. So for those of you out in industry already, these make a lot of sense on both EICRs and initial verification. They can speed up and streamline your testing processes. You just need to remember to use them in the right application, and as always, make sure the power's off. So to check these out in more detail, please follow the link alongside this video. It'll take you off to the Super Rod website. You can find out where to buy them and exactly what they do.